All right, for this example, go ahead and save the file you're currently working on, and then start a new file. I'm going to show you how to use the Follow Me tool to create a planter.
Now to do so, let's go ahead and start with the Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle by clicking once in the upper left and again down in the right. Then orbit into 3D, and take Push-Pull to push-pull up a simple box. Now with the Follow Me tool, you can both add and subtract geometry from the model. Let's start by showing you how you can add some geometry to this. Take the Pencil tool, and on this frontmost upper corner, go ahead and hover over and click to begin drawing out in the red direction. Then click Begin Drawing Down in the blue direction. Be careful to find that blue inference. Click and then draw back in the red again. Next, let's go ahead and take the Freehand Line tool. With the Freehand Line, zoom in and orbit so you get a front-on view of this profile you just drew. Go ahead and start at the top edge and draw something unique, just drawing down and being careful to end at the next edge. Once you've done that, go ahead and take the Eraser tool and erase away the excess edges of your profile. Go ahead and zoom out again. Now that we've created this profile, let's go ahead and have it follow this path around. To do that, take the Select tool and click once on the upper rectangular surface. Then take the Follow Me tool and click on the profile. It'll spin that profile around, and you've created or added geometry to this model. Okay, next, let's look at how we can subtract geometry from this model. This time, take the Arc tool. With the Arc tool, come down to this front, near to you edge. Click once on that edge and begin drawing down to a second point on that edge and click again. Then be careful to make sure you are on face and draw some amount in and click to set your third point for the arc. Now, orbit so that you can see the bottom of this planter. Next, let's go ahead and select the profile. Take the Select tool, and we're going to select the path by selecting the bottom rectangular surface. Now notice, this surface is not touching this profile, but it's going to work anyways using the Follow Me tool. Go ahead and take the Follow Me tool now and click once on this profile. It'll spin it around and subtract that geometry from the model. And note here that the profile and the path did not need to be touching. Now if you orbit around to the top, you could go ahead and start touching this up. I'll just take the Offset tool, make an offset up top, take the Push-Pull tool, and push-pull down a spot for my plant. Kind of an ugly planter, not sure what this is going to be later, but gives you an idea of how to add and subtract geometry using the Follow Me tool.